Hello everybody, it's me, Ricky the E2 Tank Engine here. Today I'm going to be showcasing one of my friends, one of my brother's friends' trains, which I don't know what this is yet, but this is part 1. Now as you can see here, this is the piston, which I'm actually surprised my brother never used this. Well, he's only classic with the spring shins, but this guy here, that's one of my brother's friends, made this, which is actually pretty interesting. Also, if I get to 20 subscribers, my brother's gonna make Gordon. And okay, looks like we're having some problems here, which I'm actually surprised he was able to make this on the 3x3 wheels. Impressive. But that will be a problem on the truck since we just bounced. And that's why my brother's gonna make Gordon on the 5x5 wheels. But still, this is actually pretty cool. I think this is gonna be a streamlined engine. To tell by the slope. Hold on, I'll be right back. Oh, and sorry about the noises. That's my brother's computer. He's right next to me. I'm going to turn it on silent.